Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number line. The above picture represents the number line. It is one of the most important diagrams in the early years of primary school. It can help us to work with numbers in so many ways. It can make our calculations easier, and it can help us to understand how numbers work in a simple way. The numbers are equally spaced. In the above diagram, we can see that the line starts at 0 and continues further in the right direction. What that means is that it starts from 0 and here it goes all the way here to the right, and that arrow tells us that it just keeps going. In later years, we will see how this line also continues further in the left direction. So it also continues further in that direction, but we won't be looking at that at this stage. In the later years, the number line helps us to do calculations involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In Year 1, we will be using the number line to do simple counting, both forward and backward. Let's look at some examples. For the above number line, place a red dot on the number 5. So if you had the red dot here, I'll just leave it there. What is the next number to the right of 5? So have a look at 5 there. Go one place to the right because it's only one number. It says the next number. And we can see that it's 6. No troubles at all. With the red dot still on 5, what is the number 3 places to the right of 5? So we'll put the red dot on 5 again, and we count 3 places to the right. So there's 5, so we go 1 place, 2 places, 3 places. And you can see that the answer is 8. With the red dot still on 5, what is the number 4 places to the left of 5? So we're going to the left of 5 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can see that the number is 1. What is the number which is halfway between 2 and 4? So I'll put some marks here this time. So if you had 2 there and 4 is there, you can see that the number halfway between is 3. So the number line is an excellent way to help us to do sums like this because we can actually see what we are doing. The number line can be used for the following tasks as well as many others. Counting by 2s starting at 0. So if we start at 0, we can do things like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. We can continue on as far as we like. Counting by 4s starting at 4. So this is like the 4 times table. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and we can keep going if we have to. Counting backwards by 3s starting at 18. So we can count backwards, which means in that direction there. Okay, that's the direction we're talking about. So if we start at 18, 15, of course that's 3 less, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. So in Year 1 we'll be stopping at 0. That arrow tells you that it does go further, as we explained earlier, but we're only interested in stopping here. counting backwards by fives, starting at 20. So if we start here, we go back 5 places, 15, 10, 5, 0. So you can see how very, very handy the number line is for doing all those simple calculations.